Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a really nice, clean 2016 Bobcat S450 rubber tired skid steer loader. This unit's in very nice condition. It has 2,238 hours. It is cab heat air. The air works, the heat works. We've just had it in the shop, did a complete service. Put a brand new 66-inch bucket with it. It does have 4 brand new wheels and tires. This machine was inside its whole life, and what it did is it pushed paper up in a facility. It does have some little scrapes back here. We didn't paint anything like that. Wanted to let it original and show the truth of the machine and what it is. But it is a nice, straight little machine. So we'll start you back here in the engine bay. I think you can play around this machine. So, machine is fully serviced, 2238. We did the full service, engine oil, fuel filters, hydraulic, air, anything it needed it got. Used OEM Bobcat filters. And that is I believe they are a 49 horsepower engine in these with air conditioning, and which is nice. So up underneath here, this is going to have your cooling package, overflow hydraulic tank, everything up underneath here, fuel cooler, air conditioning condenser, everything in there is very nice and clean. We do try to pride ourselves here in service work versus what a lot of guys are doing. They're buying stuff at auction sale. I like to buy dealer trades and private stuff, you know, and we get through our stuff, so I know what we have. I'm not out looking to sell garbage like some guys are. The door here in the back, it did have, which it was related with this, there is a scraping there in that metal. I want everybody to know that. The door shuts nice, it's straight. We did paint the back door. Sides, you get on the back corners on this side, there's some scratches. We chose to let that alone. I did put 4 brand new wheels and tires on, new air filters in the cab. Put a brand new 66-inch CID heavy duty long bottom bucket with it. This grab handle here is good and straight. This one here does have a ding. I want everybody to know that. Auxiliary hydraulics, you can see everything there is nice and it was not used. You can see. The machine is power bob attach capable. The power bob attach cylinder was damaged. I did not put a new one on it. I just don't have the money in the deal to do it. The lines are capped off here. You can buy the cylinder from Bobcats, about $700, and a set of short hoses and put them on. I chose not to do it. Cab door is in beautiful condition. It shuts nice. We did put a brand new seal here in it. So that it was good for people. I, again, like to do my service work. Like to, I don't know. I don't want to ship something to somebody that's got an issue, because then all you're going to be is a, you know, butt head in their eyes for the rest of your life. So we try to do the right thing. All floor inspection plates are intact the way they should be. I'm going to go ahead and shut the cab door here. So 2,238 hours. Decide to add it back, you can. The interior of the cab is very nice and clean. All ducted air, heat. Washer, wiper all work. There again, we really try to pride our stuff for going over, and down here was for your cab heat air. So that we know that we have everything right. We like to do that stuff so that we're putting out a good, respectable machine on the market, and hopefully you'll tell other people, or in the future you'll need something else from us. So I want to fire this thing up, when we're running around, put through all its paces. We'll take it down to slate power, running around, and show you everything works that way, and show you that it's good to go. So here we go. machine. Does have 2,238 hours. Full service, 4 brand new tires, 2 buckets, cavity air works excellent. It frees you out there. I actually had to shut it off. Guarantee it to be better than 10%. If you want to come by and see it yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. I have absolutely nothing to hide on this machine. So the S450s were a direct replacement for an S130. They're a 1,300 pound lift machine. The old S130s were 43 horsepower, I believe. These are 49, and you can have factory air with them. So very good running, working, powerful little machine. What's nice about this machine is if you're a small guy, small operator, you need a skid loader, but you need something that has enough punch to do what you need to do, but yet easy to transport. Here's a machine for you to look at. We do have this little clamp right here, was broke. I do have that on order. That will be replaced for this machine is so all the zinc plated lines, the white paint, nice clean machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, I'm Nick Miller. I can be reached again at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. And always, have a great day.